Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first is a guide to three-way ANOVA test. Welcome to our presentation on three-way ANOVA test. This is an advanced statistical technique used to analyze the effect of three different variables on a response variable. In this presentation, we will explain what it is, what it matters, and how to interpret it. So for the next is the basic understanding three-way ANOVA. For the definition of three-way ANOVA is a statistical method used to determine the effect of three independent variables on the dependent variable. For the significance, this test allows us to identify and measure the interaction between the three variables and determine how each one contribute to the outcome. For the interpretation, by analyzing the result of three-way ANOVA test, we can draw conclusion about which variables had a significant effect and how they interacted with each other. So for the next is factor the influence three-way ANOVA. For the sample size, having a large sample size increases the reliability of the result and can help identify small but significant differences. For the measurement accuracy is key, as even small measurement errors can have significant impact on the result. For variable independent, the variable in a three-way ANOVA should be independent of each other. If they are not, the result may not be accurate. So for the last, data distribution. For the data should be normally distributed or the result may not be reliable. Outliers should be identified and removed if necessary. For the next is the importance of three-way ANOVA. In research, three-way ANOVA is widely used in scientific research to measure the effect of multiple variables on outcomes. It can uncover interaction between variables that mustn't be observable using other methods. So in industry, three-way ANOVA, many industries from manufacturing to marketing use three-way ANOVA to analyze complex data and make informed decisions. It helps identify which factors are most important and how they interact with each other. And in medicine, three-way ANOVA is commonly used in medical research to understand how different factors such as age, gender, and lifestyle impact health outcomes. It can help doctors
organize putting it into practice real world. For example, for number one, science research might use three-way ANOVA to analyze the effect of temperature, light, and humidity on plant growth in a controlled environment. For the second, manufacturing factory might use a three-way ANOVA to optimize production by analyzing the effect of temperature, pressure, and speed on machine performance. And the third, psychology. Psychology might use three-way ANOVA to analyze the effect of gender, age, and environment on cognitive function. Solving problem with three-way ANOVA. Number one, identify the variable. First, determine the three independent variables that you wish to analyze and the response variable. Number two, collect the data. Gather data on the variable of interest ensuring it accurate and reliable. Number 3, run and test. Enter the data into a software forget the support the way ANOVA and run the test on the variable. Number 4, analyze the result. Interpret the output from the software to determine the significance of each variable and how they interact with each other. For the last is a final talk application of three-way ANOVA. For market research, three-way ANOVA can help business identify which marketing strategies are most effective based on a variable such as age, gender, and product feature. For environmental science, research use three-way ANOVA to investigate the effect of different factors such as temperature, rainfall, and soil type on plant and animal population. For support performance, team can use three-way ANOVA to identify which training method are most effective based on a variable such as age, position, and fitness level. And the last, education. Three-way ANOVA can be used to identify which teaching method are most effective based on variable such as age, gender, and various knowledge. And last, wassalamualaikum